dolls, welcome back to my channel. We're getting straight into it. I'm showing you how I customized this lace frontal wig and also how I curled this and wand this hair. This hair is from West Kiss Hair Company. This is their 28 inch. This is the longest length hair I've ever had so far. So this, yeah, a 28 inch right here. This was their body wave, but of course I wanded it myself. And this hair is 200 density full. So this hair is very full, it's very soft. I did wash this hair before I put it in my head. So yeah, this hair is very soft, very smooth. It didn't hold a curl as well because I did not add holding spray, but this hair is amazing, dolls. This hair is a very long, like I said, a 28 inch right here. Poppin'. This is West Kiss Hair Company. It did come with the elastic band. It did come with a headband and a stocking cap. I'm putting foundation on the cap in color mocha with the LA Girl colors just to give the stocking cap a little bit of a tint. I'm going in with the tint for the lace frontal in color medium to dark. I did pluck a little bit on the hairline so it could look more natural. And now we're just cutting the ear tabs off. For the lace front glue, I'm going in with the even extra strength. I'm using the headband they gave me just to hold down the lace and let it dry a bit. Because I wanted a deep side part, I want it to be very flat, so I'm going in with that hot comb.
What we do here is go back.
The baby hairs were very simple and fast. that that is all done, I am using my wand to make loose curls because this hair was originally a body wave hair. And be careful, dolls, it is very hot. And the curls are beautifully done. Thank you for watching, dolls. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below.
Break me off, make it like a Kit Kat taste it all. Like when you turn your ring off and turn me on.